Charming Western Shore Farmhouse has all the charm. New HVAC, 2-zone, new kitchen, new pantry, new bathroom, new deck, new electric, roof recently replaced / great large new workshop / free roaming chickens currently on property and nice dog pet very friendly and may see a house cat outside. Large shed, used to be a garage, hot tub, great side porch great for sleeping in summer or you could close in and incorporate into home square footage. Downstairs bedroom used to be the family room includes fireplace, large open living room. Dining room and kitchen can be combined into one living area but both are large. 4 bedrooms upstairs. 4 bedroom septic installed. Beautiful all pine wood floors, new water softener, new water pump house. A very comfortable family home. Shown by appointment. Less than 2 miles from public boat landing. Less than 4 miles to a white sand beach on the Chesapeake Bay.